Every piece of gear that goes moto camping with me has to earn its place. When it comes to a knife, I'm not looking for something to be pretty sitting in my pocket. It's got to function, it's got to hold up. So I'm looking at the new Klaken J147. This one's blue. They just sent this to me to review and to get my opinion, and well, we're gonna see if this will earn a spot in my moto camp kit. Look how smooth that is. So first, let's talk about this knife. So the J147 uses a D2 steel, and according to Klaken, is rated from a 59 to 60 Rockwell for hardness. So now the J147 knife comes with what's called G10 scales. And if you're not familiar with G10 scales, it's a fiberglass based laminate that's extremely common on outdoor and tactical knives. And I like it here. You know, it's lightweight, it's tough, it doesn't mind getting wet, and most importantly, it gives you a nice, good, firm grip. That's a big deal for me, to have a knife as soon as it gets wet to feel like a slippery bar of soap. I don't think that's going to be the case with this. Like I said, it's got a nice scale, nice texture, good grip. Ergonomically, this really seems to fit my hand nice. You got nice serration on the back, so if you're cutting and prying, you got good grip with your thumb. Yeah, overall, it feels like you got good control when you're holding this knife. You know, I don't care how good the steel is. If a knife is not comfortable to use, I'm not going to use it. Boy, it just kind of slides right through it. Has a nice edge from the factory. Again, being kind of an economy EDC kind of knife, I did not expect it to have a very good edge. I think this might earn a spot in my moto camping kit. You know, I gotta remember, this is not a $200 or $300 knife, but it sure performs like one. This is a budget knife. So really, the question I'm asking is, what corners did they cut to make this knife this nice for the price that they're selling them for? I think they're under $50. I will put links to their site and to Amazon as well, and they make other knives as well. So the J147 does use a bearing on the spindle in here, and it's just smooth. Got a nice belt clip. Does include a ballistic nylon sheath. So another thing when you're looking at a folding knife, pay attention when you go to close it. There's no wobble, it's tight. And as it lays down, it stays nice, and it's in the center of the knife. This is a nice knife. I'm thrilled to have this in my kit. So, is the Klaken J147 a premium knife? No. And I don't think they've engineered and designed it to be a premium $300-400 knife. They're making a knife that the average guy is going to use and abuse. For a budget EDC knife, I mean, you're getting a D2 steel, a Rockwell hardness of 59 to 60, functional knife. As a blue-collar, hard-working man, I would pack that pocket knife. Be sure to go down the description, check the links. They've got different knife shapes, different knives. I know they've got some straight fixed blades, bunch of folding locking blades, different handles, different point configurations. I like this design. For me, that's just the most practical blade tip there is. I can clean a fish, carve a fork or a spoon out of a branch if I needed to.